Everything for the shot is set up at the moment. Looks insane.
Нет, мы русские.
So right now we're off to do a film shoot with none other than Lux Media. We have not seen them in a long time, honestly. It feels like a long time. It's a beautiful afternoon. It's currently 6 p.m. even though it's so light outside, which is fantastic. It's like the weather is just insane this weekend, so it's perfect time to go and do a photo shoot. We're going to use this car. It's new. I want to do like an old-fashioned kind of beat up BMW old Russia kind of style photo shoot, so I'll insert a few pictures of what I mean, this kind of style here, and hopefully we can get something similar. We're heading to a really cool spot in Sydney, and with a massive LED light up sign, so it should be sick, and hopefully the photos turn out good. Obviously, being Lux Media, knowing them, it'll obviously turn out insane, but I guess we'll see what if my vision can come to life. So let's pick up Jeremy and then let's head to the city. I just got in my car and noticed the rear view mirror has fallen off, which is fantastic.
Hey, oh, can we get food?
Not on the way there, because you took fucking 10 minutes.
Please.
We could have.
Drive through.
You could have.
I'll buy you something.
Maybe.
Fuck yeah.
Dude takes a million years.
No, I was installing
brand new house without doxing him.
Just fucking doxed me.
I'll blur it.
They lease like one house a year.
It's a pretty nice house though. We are at Carriage Works. I'm just getting distracted by Jeremy destroying this stupid old... Dude, we're gonna get kicked out. We're kicked out before we even start filming. So there's a place just around the corner in there where there's this massive lit up sign. Once it starts to get dark, that train is really annoying. No. And hopefully we can get into there. It depends. The security guard's really nice, so he may just let us in, which would be nice.
So it's been like what?
Hey.
I'm hungry. I'm very hungry.
So these two officially got sponsored.
Yeah.
Blind him.
In the big leagues now.
Blind.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Blind him.
Oh shit. Wait.
Oh, look away.
Wow. Yeah.
Put it on max. That's not max. This
Yeah,
is
no
max.
way.
Yeah, you can't look at it. Even the camera, it looks blurry.
3 years ago.
Jeremy's
Was it
reminiscing
2020 or 20?
over their Lancer.
I think it was 2020 early. So I sold this to Danielle in like 2020.
And Jeremy hasn't seen it since. We went on some missions in this. It's a lot of old...
This was the OG.
Yeah, a lot of old Urbex clips.
Beta male Jeremy.
I should have worn a suit today.
That would have suited you, wouldn't it?
But yeah, we haven't seen this motherfucker since. We haven't seen him since like what? Beginning of the year or something, eh?
Literally, yeah.
Actually true, it's been a long time, since Olympic Park.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's been a while. Now we're gonna do a dystopian, Russian, Ukrainian, whatever you want to say, photo shoot using the apartment blocks. And it helps that he hasn't washed the car too.
Yeah, the car's a dirty piece of shit. It's all beaten up too if you go up close and have a look.
Yeah, right.
Are you gangsters?
Вы гангстеры?
No, we are Russians.
Нет, мы русские.
Everything for the shot.
Everything for a shot, bro. Oh,
You know what we should make? One of those TikToks where they really extreme angles and joke around, like made a commercial for this car and they like dive and take videos and stuff like that. And then the outcome is just really good.
This random photographer asked if I wanted a free car shoot. Bro, what is he doing? Getting them goofy eye angles. Jack it off.
Exactly, jumping in trees to get shots, rolling on the ground. Literally. Pop a squat.
Really awkward actually. I hate being in the model, but I wanted to be. So we're gonna reenact getting out of the car and he's gonna take a shot. And it's just gonna put some filter and post, we'll mess with it and hopefully it'll look cool, but this is the fit.
We are Russians.
How's it going, big man?
Fucking hungry.
This dude's been wanting food since we arrived.
What the fuck are you doing, bro?
You have tape? What? Why didn't you tape over the fucking leaky window, you stupid fuck?
It's a really cool shot with a train going past. I'm surprised this is all opened up, actually.
This is like construction site or something, but they've just
Left it all open, which is great for us.
not great for the apartments that have to deal with it. But I'm gonna sit out the sunroof. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna have to take my shoes off so I don't destroy it entirely. But I'm gonna sit out the sunroof, and the view
Is the trains, which is pretty sick.
this is never seen or done before. This feels really weird.
Holy crap, that
Also,
looks sick.
yo.
Yeah, that looks cool. The lighting is like insane. This at night, this sunset is insane. You've got a plane flying over and the car. It looks so much better in person than it does actually through my camera. Not through theirs, but whoa. Where were you hiding?
In there, and then someone yelled "Oi" in the shed, and I knocked on the door.
Oh really?
Yeah, in that one.
That's what was yelling. In this shed.
Someone yelled "Oi."
What the hell? Oh dude, the camera's not focusing. I think there's a ghost here.
I'll give you
Jeremy's.
$100 if you touch
Pass.
barbed wire and lick it like this. Now lick the barb, like get a.
Yeah, you lick it. Go on. Lick the barb.
For how much?
Nothing.
For $5 I'll
Because
lick it.
you're $2,000 in debt.
2.5.
Yeah.
So we're going in the secret entrance to get under this really sick sign, and hope, yeah, as you can see up there, the "Remember Me" sign. And this place looks insane. I'll insert a photo from last time when we took a photo of my other BMW in here, but this place is actually sick.
What the fuck? This seems like you shouldn't be able to drive in it.
You're not meant to.
Holy crap. So this new light that they've got is, oh my
It literally
god,
lights up
it's
the
like
whole-
insane. This place is pretty much as dark as it gets, and that thing just lights up the whole thing. That is so bright. Oh, the setup at the moment looks insane. I'll put the photos on each side here at the moment that they just took, but they actually look insane. And this, in this light with the LEDs, it just looks like it wants to kill you, this car. Jeremy is being put to
All you
use.
gotta do is up here, there's the trigger button.
Jeremy's being put to use. Can he manage to
just
click
gonna-
one button
Yeah,
without
literally, you're
fucking
gonna-
up?
One button.
I have it on mute, so literally you just press it and release, and then it will just do its thing. But press it with confidence, not some half-ass fucking, you know, little bullshit. Press it with feeling, motherfucker.
I think you can manage this,
And that's
Jeremy.
all I.
What did you do?
What happened?
You fucked up the setting.
Did you break your camera?
Touch the setting.
Why is it in square now?
How did you manage that?
Oh, there was a button with like all the like the.
No,
the
I don't know how to
options.
fix this shit.
Yeah, I don't know what I pressed either. I just pressed cancel.
Why did you give him your camera?
I took it.
No, when I picked it up, it did that.
How do I fix this?
You put it into square.
Oh, the aspect
Yeah,
ratio.
yeah, that one.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
that's the one. Yeah, how did 16?
So we just got done filming. I'll have insert the clips from Daniela and the TikToks as well, and Sarah, and we just filmed like a GTA hijacking scene, which is pretty cool actually. Well, it looks pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Jeremy was the victim in the carjacking.
There is a tweaker who wants to steal the cars.
Yeah, so there's some guy just watching us this whole time, which is pretty fun, but whatever. We're just still chilling. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna head out. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.
These GTA 6 leaks are getting to real WTF.